Hey there, Spartans. This is Zane Gray from the Office of Career Management. Today, we're talking Handshake. Handshake is the #1 way that college students get hired. It is the match.com, if you will, of jobs and internships. That's why it is going to be important that we go over this today. So, #1, if you are interested in getting started with Handshake, you can go to their website, joinhandshake.com. You can also find them in the App Store, all right? So going back to their webpage, what I'm going to do, if I want to sign up, I'm simply going to enter in my USC Upstate email address, or if I've already created an account, I can simply log in using my USC Upstate email address and password, okay? Now, the first thing that I'm going to want to do when I create an account is go over here to my profile. I'm going to want to upload a document, aka specifically a resume. So we're just going to click this Add New Document button, find it on our computer, click the Upload button. Our resume is going to be here. That's going to be necessary to apply for any job or internship that we're interested in. The second thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to come to my profile. I'm going to fill out all this stuff in my profile. You see now it says 35% complete. I want that to be 100% complete. So what we're going to do, if we're just joining Handshake, there's going to be a blue button up here that basically says like import your resume or build your profile based on your resume, something like that, to where you can just click one button and the job, the education, the work experience, everything from your resume will be inputted into your Handshake profile. You can just go in, tweak it, proofread it, that sort of thing. That's going to be very helpful. So once we get this profile filled out here, we're going to want to come back to our home screen, and we're ready to start putting Handshake to use. How can we use it? Top 3 things that you can do with Handshake. #1, we're looking to search and apply for job and internship opportunities. Click this button or this button. They do the same thing. I'm going to come over here. Very straightforward. We've got some different filters here. We can go in. We can save specific opportunities if we want to. They'll appear in our saved column. But the #1 thing that I'm going to want to do is I'm going to come over here in the search bar, and I'm going to type in whatever I happen to be looking for. Perhaps I'm a communications major, and I want to work in marketing. Okay, so maybe I'm interested in some of these opportunities, marketing internship opportunities, and of course, if I am in Spartanburg, South Carolina, maybe this one in Winston-Salem interests me, but maybe I don't want to relocate. I don't want to go to Texas. I don't want to go to Arizona. That doesn't interest me. Maybe I want to filter down and I want to find opportunities that are close to Spartanburg, South Carolina. Well, we can do that with this filter right here, okay? And from here, once we identify those opportunities, it's very easy to click the Apply button. All you have to do is attach your resume, attach your cover letter, submit the application. Some employers may redirect you to finish on their external web page. Some employers will have you just apply on the site, which is what this looks like. Others may redirect you to actually finish that application on your web page. But either way, you're aware of the opportunity. You're able to go out and apply for it. Also under the Jobs tab, you can search for specific employers. So let's say that I'm interested, I want to work in the Spartanburg area. So within 50 miles of Spartanburg, that's like Spartanburg, Greenville area. All right. And let's say I'm looking to work in a specific industry. And I'll just use accounting because it pops up first. Well, I can go through here and I can look at, hey, these are some of the accounting firms that are in the area. I can go through, I can click on their profile. I can see their contact information, their webpage. This one even has a specific person that I can reach out to if I'm interested in working with this particular organization. So that can be a very helpful research tool in my job search, okay? Going back to our home page, helpful thing #2, career-related events. So USC Upstate manages the events that are in here for students. Currently, we're only seeing a couple. As we go throughout the semester, there are more. Usually at the beginning of the semester is when we're posting most of those opportunities that usually happen midway through fall semester, midway through spring semester. So this is a great thing to keep an eye on. If I want to go in, maybe I'm interested in grad school, I can go in, I can click on this virtual grad school fair. I can sign up to meet with any of the grad schools that are participating, for example, and I can connect with them in a manner that's very similar to a Zoom call. We might also see employer information sessions here. We might also see career fairs here, summer job fairs here, things of that nature. So this is a very handy tool to keep an eye on. Going back to our home page, just a couple quick last things to point out to you guys. You'll notice this Handshake Community. So you're given a privacy option when you create the account. You can keep your account private, or you can make it public, basically. If you choose to make your account public, you can go through here and you can search through Handshake's database of other students. So for example, let's say that I am a psychology student and I want to work with the Boys and Girls Club. So what I might do is I might go through here and I might search for Boys and Girls Club. Okay, so this one's Northwest New Jersey. But we might go through and search for a specific organization, see the students that have worked there, message them, say, hey, how'd you like Ernst & Young? How'd you like Boys and Girls Club? How'd you like Spartanburg Regional? Things of that nature. That can be very helpful information for you guys to have in your job search. Oops, got logged out. All right, there we go. Last couple things to mention. You guys can explore different career paths. You can also see some information that the USC Upstate Office of Career Management has chosen to provide you guys. You can see all of our contact information here, our staff list. Feel free to reach out to any of us, and you can see some hopefully helpful resources that we have provided for you guys here in our resource library. So guys, that's what we've got for you. That's Handshake. If you have any questions, shoot us an email at careers@uscupstate.edu. Give us a call at 864-503-5993, or follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube at USC Upstate Career Management. Thanks, guys. Good luck.